Okay, this is Natalie Seguin with an issue with my Loopy case for my iPhone 11 Pro. When I follow the instructions to put it in all four corners, the buttons on the side don't really work that well. They don't react to without a lot of hard pushing. If I want to take a picture, like a screenshot, it doesn't really want to do it. Depends on the placement of my fingers. So I'm trying to do it, and 9 times out of 10, maybe 50% of the time, I can't get it to take a screenshot. Now, when I take it off, it's very stiff because there's all sorts of buttons. And I found that what I need to do is take the case, and it's in here, and sort of bend and massage it, which it would be fine, except I had to do a whole bunch of troubleshooting to do that, and I bought 3 cases, and so far I had to do this with 2. So you can see that it's not quite sitting in here right.
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help?
And even after massaging it, I still can't push this button. It doesn't seem to be lining up somehow. I don't know why, because it looks like it should be in line. If I look on the inside, I don't know if you can see that. It looks like it's in line, but because there's just a lot of manual manipulation and working in of this case that I didn't have with my other one. So the Loopy case isn't manufactured wrong or anything, but this material might be too thick for whatever version of iPhone 11 Pro people have. They're very low profile buttons, and I bought this in April 2020, so I haven't had any issues with any other cases that I've bought, but I have to manhandle my phone a lot to get the case on. This case is the Jasper case, and I've worked it in, I think, enough that it's responsive. So that took me a day of managing to manipulate it and move it around so that it eventually settled into the appropriate spot for me not to have to mash the buttons to push the volume up and down, and I could take screenshots again.